We really kind of break it down into steps. And one step would be the assessment and inspection to identify the level of contaminant, the level of soot that's within the structure, right? We want to have an understanding or a base understanding of really what that damage looks like. The second thing is really ventilation and air filtration. We want to start exiting as much of that residual odor and residual soot and ash that may be in the premises out through various methods of negative air machines or air scrubbers, utilizing HEPA filters and charcoal filters. And then we go into really using other types of deodorization type machines. Old technology was ozone. Some folks may have heard of on this call, but really they've kind of gone away from that technology, more into what we call today hydroxyl generators. And again, so you have two simultaneous tasks that are happening, your air filtration and then also your deodorization. The next, we move into surface cleaning. So we want to obviously make sure and ensure that the walls and ceilings and floors are clean in that sequential order. We want to start with the ceilings and work our way down to make sure that any byproduct from that cleaning effort is not recontaminating ultimately what has already been cleaned. Certainly fabric cleaning, upholstery cleaning, ensuring that anything that's a porous substrate, we are evacuating any type of contaminants and soot that's on those. We go into then HVAC type cleaning. Was the duct system on, during the time that the fire was going and the smoke was entering the home? We want to make sure that we clean the duct systems, clean the furnace filters into the actual unit itself. We talked a little bit about the corrosiveness nature of soot. We certainly want to make sure that we get everything out of the electrical components of those units. And then ultimately really just kind of the final stages, whether that's repainting or refinishing certain substrates, electronical cleaning, and then just ensuring that we make sure we button everything up so that there is no cross-contamination or secondary damage.